Alright guys, before I let you watch the video, I should let you know that it's my first time ever doing a video. I'm just going into depth on what I'm doing in the video. Not any building at the moment or anything like that. It'll get more exciting in the second video. Took me a couple of days to do as I was battling the weather. I mean, you can see behind me the car's outside. So did what I could with the time I had. But yeah, next video for sure will have more information and you'll be able to see in depth of what I'm doing. So yeah, hope you like it guys, thanks. Subscribe and share and like. Cheers. Hey guys, Callow Kid here. Episode 1 of the VL project, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, I haven't really got a name for it, so if you want to bring up a name. Just been to Allied Paint distributors and I went and got some 80 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to start sanding the floor down, getting it ready for paint, get rid of all the rust. I could just paint over it, but I'd rather not. I'd rather bring up all the rust and get rid of that. You know, you see a couple of cars, you know, painted a couple years ago and then they've got rust bubbles already, so I want to eliminate that as much as I can. I'm not going to go hectic, but I want some reassurance when it comes to rust, I guess. I've already ripped up all the, what do you call it, the tar matting, the sound deadener. That came up pretty easy. The car was pretty much outside for a good couple of years before I bought it, so it's dried up. It was really easy to get off. It was just a hammer and chisel. I didn't need to use dry ice. I didn't need to use a heat gun or anything like that. So I'm just going to get off the rest of the sound deadener, just the stuff that's actually stuck to the paint. I'll be using Prepsol and rags to get that off. Prepsol's best, wax and grease remover, what do you call it. So I got the floor all vacuumed out and I'm about to hit it with some 80 grit. Bring up all the paint, especially around areas like that and over there and there, just so I know what I'm dealing with, the rust. I pulled up this side the other day. There wasn't that much rust, so I don't expect there to be heaps in the car. Yes, I've left this bare metal. I'll be using Deox, and that's a dog barking in the background. And then I'll be using the Valspar after that, after the Deoxit and stuff. It's direct to metal, you can put it straight over the metal. So they say. And yeah. Alrighty, so we nearly got the inside of the car done, just about ready to paint. I might do a time lapse of that. Not too keen on walking you guys around it, so we'll just keep it quick on that one. I'll show you guys after. I sent the diff off to differential and mechanical in Farah. They're going to tackle that and put that together for me. I'll pick it up at the end of the week. I'd rather not do it myself and stuff it up. Leave it up to the professionals. I'll stick to the bodywork and stuff. When that comes back, what we'll be doing is throwing that in with some JP Fabrication lower control arms. Chromoly utilises the factory rear end, so you can put a coil over a spring in, factory, whatever. And then some $100 jobbies that I found on Gumtree. They come off a VL for the upper control arms, so we'll see how they go. Basically what I call mini falling, so I reckon that'll be cool fun. Yeah, I might do a video on the diff might not. Depends how I go. Depends how much time I got. We'll see how we go. But yeah, I'll do the time lapse on the paint job, and yeah, and then it'll be the engine bay. We'll get the motor in, start mucking around with the manifolds, see what all the turbo pumping's got to go before I paint it. I'd rather cut the holes where I need to and get it all done before I paint it. Don't want to paint it twice. So that's what we'll do. So yeah, I'll leave you with that, guys. That's my first video, and car look a bit different in the next video. So cheers. Thanks, guys.